Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Most traders spend hours analyzing charts, but what if one number could summarize everything for you? In this video, I will show you how the AI score in GMGN AI works and how it compares to tools like Birdeye and Dexscreener. Okay, but before starting the video, if you haven't joined this platform, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, or which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for referral link which is available into the description of the video so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever. Okay, so the problem with the manual analysis we are going to discuss first is, so when using tools like Birdeye or Dexscreener, you have to check everything manually like liquidity, volume, charts and transactions. This takes time and beginners often get confused. Okay, so here's why where the GMGN AI score comes up and it gives you the opportunity. GMGN simplifies all the data into one thing, which is an AI score. Okay, it analyzes multiple factors and gives you a quick idea of how strong a token looks like. You can check for the AI score in the signal section, and here you will see the AI scores. Okay, so why this is powerful? Instead of checking 10 different indicators, you get a single overview. This helps you save time, filter tokens faster and focus only on high activity coin. Okay, so let's keep it simple. Bird eye view shows of raw data, great for which is great for detailed analysis only, while the GMGN AI interprets data for you, highlights important opportunities fasterly. Okay, so if we talk about GMGN versus Dex Screener, okay, so Dex Screener gives you strong charts, real-time price tracking, but the GMGNI gives you smart filtering and AI-driven signals. By the word smart filtering, I mean you can check for the filters here, and you can check for the coin that you want to look for, and that will get you the details, and you can sort it by time, market cap, as well as volume and liquidity and holders as well. Okay, so when GMGN is better, I will tell you the what are the point which makes it better. So you are searching for new tokens, you want quick filtering, you don't want to analyze everything manually. So these are the point at which GMGN is very better than the other tools. Okay, so the best strategy is smartest approach is combining them. GMGN use GMGN AI to find opportunities and use Birdeye Dex or Dex Screener to verify the data. Okay, that sounds good. So if you are new, use AI score as a starting point but not as your final decision. Okay, and AI can give you an advantage but only if you use it wisely. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.